In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform a simple 2D image into an impressive 3D model using FSpy and Blender. This process is perfect for artists, designers, or anyone curious about digital modeling as it opens up a world of creative possibilities. Let's dive right in and start with setting up the perspective using FSpy. First, launch FSpy and bring your 2D image into the software. The goal here is to align the perspective lines of the image with the axes in FSpy, for example, using the floorboards or the ceiling lines as guides. You'll want to adjust the X and Y axis lines accurately. If you're having trouble placing them precisely, try holding down the Shift key to zoom in for a detailed view. To further refine the perspective, add a Z-axis line, which is particularly useful for aligning vertical elements in your image. Once everything is properly aligned, position the 3D cursor to an origin point in the image. This could be a corner or any prominent feature that can serve as the starting point of your 3D scene. Remember, precision is key here to ensure your 3D model will look realistic. Once satisfied, save your work as a .fspy file. Now let's move on to the next phase, which is importing your saved FSpy file into Blender and setting up the scene. Before importing, make sure the FSpy add-on is enabled in Blender by navigating to Edit, then Preferences, and finally Add-ons, where you can search for and enable FSpy. With that done, you can now go to File, then Import, and select FSpy to open your saved file. This will bring your image as a background and set up a camera that matches the perspective you've defined in FSpy. At this point, you should clear out any default objects in Blender to keep your workspace tidy. Add a new plane by using the shortcut Shift plus A, navigate to Mesh, then Plane. Carefully rotate and position this plane so that it aligns perfectly with the floor of your image. You can switch to Edit mode by hitting Tab, allowing you to extrude and adjust the plane to better match the walls and ceilings of your scene. Finally, it's time to apply textures to your 3D model. Head over to the Material Properties tab and create a new material. Connect an image texture node to the base color of your principled BSDF shader, then open your original 2D photo in this node. To make sure everything looks just right, apply a UV project modifier to your 3D mesh. Set the UV map to UV map, associate the object with the camera imported from FSB, and adjust the aspect ratio to match your original photo. For added detail and realism, consider adding a subdivision surface modifier, which will smooth out and refine the appearance of your model. By following these steps, you'll have successfully created a 3D model from your 2D image. Practice these techniques to master your 3D modeling skills for more intricate projects in the future. Happy modeling!